Hi, I'm Chef Ella and welcome to my kitchen. Today what I'm going to prepare for you are fried crab legs and my seafood dipping sauce. First we're going to start with the batter. To this batter we have 2 beaten eggs, 1 cup of flour, and 1.5 cup of beer. To that we're going to add a pinch of black pepper. We're going to add a teaspoon, and you can eyeball it, of accent. And we're going to add a teaspoon of Creole seasoning. Again, you can just eyeball it. We're also going to add in a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm just going to give it a quick mix. Now we're just going to coat these in our beer batter mix. Make sure you drain it really well. And now into our dry flour. Make sure you toss that, get it coated really good. And now we're just going to drop this. We have our oil heated at 350. We're going to get one more in there. You don't want to overcrowd it. Okay, these are ready, and we're going to go ahead and take these out. Just drain them on a paper towel. I'm going to get some more down. I think we have room for one more. We're going to go ahead and take this last batch out. Okay, we're going to turn this off. Now that we have our crab legs fried, we're going to make a dipping sauce to go with them. We have 2 sticks of butter. You can put it in the microwave. To that, we're going to add soy sauce, lemon juice, dry parsley, hot sauce, teaspoon. This is Creole season, about a teaspoon. We'll add a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a little paprika, and some accent. And you can give that a quick stir. Okay, there you have it, our seafood dipping sauce. Now we're going to go ahead and plate this up. We're going to finish this up with some lemon slices. And here you have it, my fried crab leg with my special seafood sauce. Until next time, bon appetit. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.